Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your AutoGPT account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your AutoGPT account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address autogpt.net and hit on enter, and you'll be redirected to the home page of AutoGPT. Now, in order to log into your AutoGPT account, you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of this page where you can see the links and the main menu option available over here, and just close this. Now, in order to log into your AutoGPT account from over here, simply click on the login button over here. You can see this is the login button, and click on it, and then you'll be directed to the login page or the sign in page of AutoGPT. Now, in order to log in, simply enter your username or your email address, whichever may be. I'm going to go to with my email address, and after that, enter your password, guys. And after entering your email address and your password, guys, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your AutoGPT net account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.